This is a crypto emergency update. We need to be taking a look at technical analysis to see what the heck is happening to cryptos because they are very bearish. They literally just continue to go down every single day. What the heck is happening? When is this bloodbath going to stop? When are cryptos going to stop going down? We're going to be diving all of that into this video, so make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Consider giving this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, how much longer do you think this bearishness is going to continue for? So diving straight into the content, what we are seeing is that cryptos are again down today. We have Bitcoin about 38,200. Ethereum is about 2788. And it is not looking good. But if we do understand where cryptos are headed, of course, since the 28th of March, we have been in a downtrend, okay? But now cryptocurrencies aren't as volatile as they were, and we're being squeezed into this pattern, this descending triangle pattern, which is, of course, a bullish signal. It is a bullish pattern, especially while the overall trend is bearish. So this is a reversal pattern. So now Bitcoin is being squeezed into this tiny little apex, which we're getting very close to right now. In the next couple of days, there is most likely going to be a very big move to either determine the next reversal or the next big break or move in the current market. Personally, what I am expecting is there's probably going to be some more red over this night, and we might see some red again tomorrow, which is Sunday. But I'm expecting Sunday night, when futures to open, there to be another big bounce, potentially another big bounce, as this previous week and the last couple of weeks have been bearish. Usually Sunday nights of a very bearish week end up being a recovery bounce, a relief rally, whatever you want to call it, into the morning before the stock market opens, which there is a lot of volatility lately when the stock market is open. So another thing you want to be taking careful eye on. But as of right now, I am expecting Bitcoin to take a move down to about 37,200. And that is probably going to be the next area where Bitcoin will bounce and then test the resistance level of about 38,700 inside of this pattern and probably continue to break out. If we do get a breakout, Bitcoin is poised to definitely make a very nice move close to $43,000, which is going to be my price target. And this is certainly going to be determining whether we can enter back into a bull market or a bear market, at least in the immediate short term, most likely this week. So I think that there could be a move to test $43,000 this week. And even though things are bearish right now, even though things on the charts do not look very pretty, we do know that bull markets can happen in a blink of an eye, that recoveries happen very, very fast when you least expect it. It happens all the time. Things crash when you least expect it, things pump when you least expect it, and we are just oversold. We have continued to go down for so long. It is time for us to bounce up. It's time for us to experience some green, which we will be taking profits in the Patreon at MYLESGinvestments.com or at patreon.com/MYLESGinvestments, which will be in my top pinned comment or in my video description, where you can get access to my market updates, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, to follow all of my exact trades as a crypto trader. Now, again, as of right now, I think that we are going to be heading down. We're going to continue to test this support, which has been respected for quite some time, especially since the 11th of April. We have been respecting this pattern with the resistance and support levels inside of this descending triangle pattern. And I am expecting a further drop. But this week, I am expecting a very big bounce, hopefully to at least $43,000. Now, me personally, I have exited the market at this point. I'm waiting for this drop to happen. Then I'll be making another entry because I am expecting a drop. I do try to capitalize off bearish momentum, the bullish momentum, by buying and selling in the crypto market. Now, there of course could be a bearish scenario. I am expecting a bullish bounce, but there could be a bearish scenario that could take Bitcoin all the way down to $34,000, which from our current level is about a 10% move to the downside. Now, if Bitcoin were to make that type of move, it would be very interesting to see. But the last time Bitcoin did come down to that level in January, we did end up bouncing. That was the bottom of the market. I personally don't see us going down that far, but it's certainly possible based on the current bearish momentum, based on how much things are happening around the world, all the type of FUD and the fear around there, panic and everything. That definitely could push the prices of cryptocurrencies down that far. I honestly don't think so. But I mean, look at this. If we zoom out on the daily or the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows inside of this. Bitcoin is still holding up. Bitcoin has not broken this major support here, about 37,000 $37,300. Bitcoin right now is still 38,200. So we are still $1,000 above the major support level that we did test and experience the 14th of March and in around that range. So Bitcoin is still bullish if you zoom out, but the immediate short term, I think we're going to experience another little drop before we head up further here. So we're going to be taking a close eye, and this week, ladies and gentlemen, I personally think very strongly that Bitcoin will be making a very big move, as this week, in the next couple of days, Bitcoin is and has to break outside of this compression zone, this descending triangle pattern, which we always know and how we have seen on my previous channel. All the times that we come into these apexes, there are massive moves that take place every single time. Now, if you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend or family member, and blow up the comment sections with any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for staying into the end, and I will see you all later.